Hello student, we were studying about the exponent. Today we have to study about the some rules or laws of exponent. To solve the questions of exponents, we have to study some rules before doing the question. Law of exponent: the rational number follow all the laws of exponent. Here we shall learn laws of exponent. रेशनल नंबर फॉलो ऑल द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. रेशनल नंबर जितनी भी होती हैं, जितने भी एक्सपोनेंट के लॉज होते हैं, सारे फॉलो करते हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ दिया गया है. इफ फर्स्ट लॉ, इफ a be any non zero rational number and m and b positive integers, then if a is base, a into a, m and n be positive integer, when base are same in multiplication, then power is added. Here a raised power m into a raised power m. Here we see that base in multiplication base are same. जब भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन बेस सेम होते हैं तो पावर को ऐड कर दिया जाता है. Here m and n p a raised power m into a raised power n is equal to a raised power m plus n. For example, three raised power 4 into 3 raised power 6. Here base are same, so we have to add the power. 3 raised power 4 plus 6 is equal to 3 raised power 4 6 10. With the help of this formula, this loss, we can also find the multiplication when base are same. We add simply the power when base are same. जब बेस सेम होते हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर को ऐड कर दिया जाता है. इन जनरल a b n नॉन जीरो रेशनल नंबर. a कोई नॉन जीरो रेशनल नंबर है. m and b be positive integers like this: a raised power m, a raised power n into a raised power p. Here m and p is integer, positive integer. Base are same, so a in multiplication when base are same, power is added. m and p. Here a into a base यहाँ पे सेम. जब भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बेस सेम होते हैं तो पावर को ऐड कर दिया जाता है. a raised power m, a raised power n, a raised power p. a को एक टाइम लिखते हैं और पावर को ऐड कर देते हैं. m plus n plus p. Like for example, 5 raised power 3 into 5 raised power 2 into 5 raised power 4. Here base are same. According to this rule, this law, we have to write one time base and add the powers. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 5 raised power 3 to 5 4 9. B and this rules also apply in rational. P by Q be any rational number and L M N be any integers. Then कोई भी इंटीजर होता है, either positive or negative. P by Q, P by Q, P by Q. P by Q whole power n, P by Q whole power n, P by Q whole power n is equal to P by Q. Here base are same, so we have to add the power. L plus m plus n. For example, Pn. For example, 2 by 3 raised power 3 into 2 by 3 raised power 2 into 2 by 3 raised power 4. Here in rational number base are same. Base should be same. Base जो है समान होने चाहिए. When base are same and they are multiplied, and power should be any, either positive or negative. Simply we write one time base 2 by 3 and we add the power 3, 2, 4. All the positive, so 3 plus 2 plus 4. So answer will be 2 by 3 raised power 3 to 5 4 9. In this way you can solve any questions related to these rules. This rule says that if in multiplication base are same, power is added. Here all of you see that in every points base are same and power is not same. When in multiplication base are same, power is added. Here you see with the help of examples. Rule second. Law of second law. Second law. Second law. Second law is if A be any non-rational number and M n are positive integers. If A, B non-zero rational number and M and N be positive integers. Then A raised power m divided by A raised power m is equal to A raised power m minus m. When m is greater than then A raised power m into A raised power n. जब भी सेम बेस में के पावर में भी समथिंग A like this A raised power m into A raised power n. When we divide same base, then power is subtracted. The power of denominator should be subtracted from the power of numerator. न्यूमरेटर के पावर में डिनोमिनेटर के पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. A raised power m minus n like this. When n is greater than m, here m is greater than n, then it will be positive. Then if A raised power m divided by a raised power n is equal to a raised power m minus n. In this case m is greater than, m is less than n is here, m was greater than n, so m की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, n की वैल्यू कम. इन दिस केस ये पॉजिटिव होगा तो ये ऐसे रहेगा. इन दिस केस ये नेगेटिव होगा, इसलिए इसकी वैल्यू होगी 1 by a raised power m minus n. क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव होगा तो जैसे ही डिनोमिनेटर बिलो दैट a raised power minus n is equal to a by a raised power n. ये हम जानते हैं, क्योंकि अगर पावर माइनस है तो ये इस तरह से चेंज हो जाता है. Here in this case it is positive. With the help of example, 3 raised power 5 divided by 3 raised power 4. Here, 3 raised power 2. Here we get, according to this rule, 3 raised power 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 raised power 5 out 2 from 5, 3. This is the value. And when in this, yeah, 5 is greater than. If 2 raised power second, ये first point, and second point, 2 raised power 2 divided by 2 raised power 5. In this condition, this is m and this is n. 2 raised power 2 minus 5. It will be 2 raised power minus 3. According to this, we have to write 1 by 2 raised power 3. This will be your answer. Or this apply also in rational number also. If p by q raised power l into p by divided by p by q into m. In this condition, p by q raised power l minus m. You can write this l minus m. For example, 2 by 3 raised power 6 divided by 2 by 3 raised power 3 is equal to 2 by 3 raised power 6 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 raised power 3. This will be your answer. In division, base are same. The power of numerator, the power of denominator is subtracted in the power of numerator. If power comes in negative, then you can like this: a minus 2 is equal to, we can write a by. If a raised power 2, we can also write 1 by a raised power minus 2. Yet we can write 1 because denominator is also. किसी बेस की पावर अगर माइनस है तो उसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो उसको नेगेटिव भी लिख सकते हैं. इन दिस, सो हियर वी लर्न द सेकंड लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. In division, power is subtracted when base are same. In multiplication, base are added when power base are same, power is added in multiplication. Law third. Third law. What is third law? Third law is, if a be any non-zero number, and m are integers. If a b any if a be non-zero rational number and n be positive integers, then a raised power m into a raised n. In this condition, we can write a raised power m into n is equal to a raised power m n. When the power a raised power m whole raised power n, किसी बेस के ऊपर पावर के अगर ऊपर पावर जाता है तो पावर इज इफ पावर ऑफ पावर, देन वी मल्टीप्लाई पावर. अगर किसी बेस के ऊपर पावर है होल की पावर, इस तरह से कोई भी पावर इस तरह से आए, इस तरह से a रेज पावर m रेज पावर n रेज पावर p, then we can write a रेज पावर m into n into p. पावर के ऊपर अगर पावर है तो वी मल्टीप्लाई द पावर्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 2 raised power 3 raised power 4 is equal to 2 3 multiply 4 is equal to 2 3 4 ja 12. 3 raised power 2 raised power 5 raised power 6, then 3 2 into 5 into 6, 2 5 जा 10 6 जा 63 raised power 6. पावर के ऊपर अगर पावर है तो we multiply the powers. In this way, if any p by q into L whole raised power m, then we can write p by q whole raised power L into m is equal to p by q L m. Like 2, for example 2 by 3 raised power 4 whole raised power 2, then 2 by 3 raised power 4 into 2 2 by 3 raised power 4 to the 8. In this way, power raised power, then we multiply the power. If power into power, then we multiply the powers. Like this is the third law of exponents. पावर के ऊपर अगर पावर रहता है तो सारे पावर्स का मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. Fourth law, if a be any non-zero rational number and a and m n be positive integers, then A and B. Here we have to talk on 2 points. AB raised power n. A and B are non-zero rational number and m, you can say n. If A, B are non-zero rational numbers and n be positive integer, then A into B raised power n is equal to A raised power n into B raised power n. B A by B raised power n, then A raised power n by B raised power n. In this A into B whole raised power n. This can be written A raised power n into B raised power n. If number is in rational number A by B, then A raised power n and divided by B raised power n. For example, 2 into 3 raised power 5. We can write 2 raised power 5 into 3 raised power 5 like this. 2 by 3 raised power 5, then we can write 2 raised power 5 divided by 3 raised power 5. यदि ब्रैकेट में दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है और होल पावर कोई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है तो उसको हम सेपरेट करके दोनों के पावर लगा देते हैं, और डिवीजन में है तो इन दिस वे हम दोनों पे पावर्स लगा देते हैं, न्यूमरेटर में भी और डिनोमिनेटर में. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. दिस इज द फोर्थ लॉ ऑफ exponent. So it is sufficient for today because we have studied fourth law and next law we have to study in next video. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood this and you can solve many questions on the basis of these laws. So it is sufficient for today. Thanks for today.